Kumana na ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri mwena wa Kerio Valley rĩcũngĩrĩirie kũragwo gwa batĩri ũmwe wa kanitha wa Gathoreki, kĩama kĩa arimũ bũrũri-inĩ KNUT kĩũrĩtie arutani arĩa me matũũra-inĩ marĩa kwĩna ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri matikanaroke wĩra kuma Jumatatũ ĩno.
We as KNUT have declared and have told all our members in Kerio Valley, all teachers from Monday, the teachers are not going to go to school until the security of the place is taken care of. We cannot allow our teachers to go to school and die. It's better for them to sit at home, earn nothing and die from home than go to school and be ambushed.
Munini wa mũikarĩri wa gĩtĩ wa kĩama kĩa arutani oho nĩorĩtie thirikari ĩhĩke kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya kũgacĩrithia thayũ mwena ũcio makĩria kũrĩ arutani kwaga ũguo marorete kũmarutũrũra kũu kaimana gũtarĩ notithi.
The whole padre, priest can be ambushed, a man of God. What about a teacher? A teacher who teaches injustice in this country. How safe is that teacher? So we are calling upon the government to see how best they can organize for the security in Kerio Valley and anywhere from now where insecurity is going to be an issue. Our teachers will be withdrawn with immediate effect without notice to the government.
We are not going to allow our teachers to be in areas that are having insecurity. We are pleading the government to step in and make sure that we provide actually tough security conditions in those given zones. Because once the teacher is not safe, he cannot be able to deliver.
Oho nĩmamũrĩkĩte commission ya arutani na kũria mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wayo Nancy Macharia arongorerie arutani arĩa marutaga wĩra kũrĩa kwĩna moritũ rĩrĩa arutani marabatĩrio ikero cia kĩwĩra.
Teacher Service Commission to be serious when it does its work in terms of recruiting teachers who are promoted. The 25,000 teachers deserve promotion. The money is there, lying in the treasury. But because of the problem and the corruption method used in coming out with the list of 25,000 is what the parliament has now petitioned that it must be done afresh. And you remember when they are talking about doing afresh, that means the amount of money, 1 billion, meant for promotion is returned to the treasury until it will be budgeted again in the next budget.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jitagwo Jenga, Wabui.